HND Forkin and my group name is Skylar and our project name is Economical drone. Now I am going to show you the parts of our drone. So this is our project, this is our final project, and here you can see this is propeller, and here we have 4 propellers, and for our 4 propellers we have 4 motors. This is our motor and this is our frame. This is the main frame here we are having, and we have buy this from MMRC. And there we have some other parts, like we have APM module 2.0, and here we have another modules that is GPS. And for navigation here we have telemetry. This is radio telemetry. This gives us the navigation data. And here we have the ESC. This is our ESC. You can see that. And we have our landing gears. This is our landing gears. You guys can see that. This is our landing gear. And then we have our remote. This is our remote. We are using FlySky remote. You guys can see that. And here, last but not the least, this is our battery. This is going to give us the power supply.